Hey you guys, and welcome to Not My Kitchen, Midnight Munchies and More. I am your chef Charisse, and today we are going to try air fryer versus oven. Is it worth it? What's the difference? And we're gonna try it doing today. We're gonna do like a vegan and low sodium chicken, bean, and cheese taquito vibe, right? Speaking of which, I don't know why you guys hating on low sodium so much. Listen, they put salt in every freaking thing, okay? So we're trying to, like, you know, make America a little bit healthier, or other countries too, but really it's America. We're the ones with a really big problem, am I right? Am I right? All right. So let's just jump right in, shall we? In this bowl, I have about 2 cups of frozen artichoke hearts that I chopped up, like, just briefly. This is gonna be in replace of our, like, chicken, like our vegan chicken, you know what I mean? And then we're gonna add some spice mixture to it. So I'm gonna do a teaspoon each of chili powder and cumin, and then half a teaspoon each of garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, and red pepper chili flakes. I'm gonna throw that in there. And then, if you guys didn't watch my shorts the other day, my shorts, my short on YouTube, I think I put it on TikTok too, I can't remember. I made crock pot beans, and I have some of those left over still. So I'm gonna put some of those in there. I don't know, probably like, I would do like a can of beans normally, or like chickpeas or something. And I don't know, I guess that's like a cup and a half. Let's just do like, you know what, let's just do as much as we can. And then just to get wild, I am gonna give it like just a little fork to smoosh up these beans just a little bit. Not too serious. I mean, listen, this isn't a serious recipe. It's a taquito. You can put anything you freaking want in it. You know what I mean? And we're gonna go in with the Walmart double colored cheese. I still like so much of it. I don't know. It's just like easy to get at the Walmart. So we're gonna throw some of that in there. Give it a little stir, skadoodle-oo. I put a stack of white corn tortillas in like some damp paper towels, put them in the microwave just to warm them up so they're a little bit more pliable, you know what I mean? And then we're just gonna take a little scoop-a-doop of our mixture here, and then we're just gonna roll it up, and then we're just gonna keep going until we don't have any more of any of the things left. Don't ask questions, but I'm gonna try out this Bella Pro Series 6-quart air fryer with a touch screen. Okay, I've never used air fryer on this channel before, y'all. All right, so we're gonna check out this little basket situation. So I have 5 taquitos in here. I probably should have some more space between them, but you know the corn tortillas, they don't like to stay shut, and I didn't want to use toothpicks because I ain't got time for that shit, right? So if they touch a little bit, they touch a little bit, but until they get their shape going, because I think I'm gonna have to flip them halfway. I don't know. To be announced. So I'm gonna turn it on. Do air fry. 400, we're probably not gonna need that amount of time, but we can push pause. So I'm just gonna actually leave it and just like let it go, check it in like 5. We got our control group over here that we're gonna bake in a 420-degree oven. Would you expect anything less? A 420-degree oven, I don't know, about like 20 minutes, probably flipping halfway. And listen, I did Pamela these on the outside, and I Pamela the ones in the air fryer as well, because like, that's just my life. You guys, how long have you been waiting for me to say that, right? Look at, okay, so these, okay, hold on, I have to look again. Okay, so these are the air fried ones. These are the baked ones. Look at how just like, can we just, oh my God. Okay, all right, so time-wise, you have to do the air fried one in batches, even with the 6-quart. And I had about 6 to 7 minutes for each one. So it's gonna take about the same amount of time with the number of taquitos that we did, because the baking one you can do all at the same time, but that took like 22-ish minutes. So time-wise doesn't really matter. Now, if you're just doing for like yourself and you just wanna heat something up really quick, then obviously like if you only have to do one batch, like hello, that's easier. The air fryer. Now, the true test, right? That's what that sounds like, a little ASMR. Okay, so this air fryer definitely sounds crispier. I'm gonna try that one first just because, so can I rip it apart? I'm gonna try this one first just because it's cooler. So this is the insides. Look at that. So, I find it chewy in the middle. The end is the cracky part, which is good. Maybe I need to go a little bit longer. But they're like burning on the ends. I don't know. Okay. Oven one. Oh, it's hot. Hot. Okay, hold on. Oh, it's hot. Hold on. My fingers are burning. I had to cut this guy because it was super hot and burning my fingers. But let's get into it. Oh, way more good beer. Hot. Okay. Whoa. First of all, flavor-wise, fire. Second of all, shout out to my nephews. Hi. And Sharice loves you, and I love you. Okay. Got that out of the way. I think I like the oven better. I think I like the oven one better. Again, it's so peculiar because I feel like I should have done it a little bit longer in the air fryer, but the ends were burning so much, I was like really scared, right? Full written recipe, as per usual, will be linked below, midnightmunchiesandmore.com. Make sure you subscribe. Also, if you guys want me to do like more of this like air fried versus oven baked, let me know. Because honestly, I feel like it's going to be different with different things. Do you know what I mean? Like if I did frozen taquitos versus fresh ones. And then a myriad of other recipes, if you have any that you think I should try, link those below as well. And I'll catch you next time.
Oh, good night kisses while he wishes and reminisces. His eyes kissing while he waits for the full moon above. Oh, ivory dove, passionate love. Listening closely, positioning my intuition for her nutrition and ambition. Nutrition and ambition get up. Like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning through the skies in the morning, get up. Like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning through the skies in the morning, get up. Hey, like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning through the skies in the morning, get up. Hey, like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning.